this breathtaking, luscious kale and orange salad, a perfect dish for your lunch or dinner. Great and lasting, presentable appetizer for small or large get-togethers. After watching this video, you'll be able to make a perfect kale salad by applying few tricks and tips. So please watch this video till end. Hello everyone, welcome to Canadian Desi Chef. Let's start making this delightful, quick and easy salad. After washing and drying the kale, remove the ribs and the stem from it and tear it or chop it into bite size. Here are the prepared ingredients. Put a pan on high flame. Once pan is hot, add some olive oil or any other oil of your choice. Once oil is hot, add half of the tiered kale and green onion in it. Let it char on medium to high heat. Turn and toss it in between. Tip to obtain perfectly charred kale, make sure it is dry and do not bother to stir it as often. Now till the time greens are getting charred, put another half of kale in a mixing bowl and add lemon juice, olive oil and salt. Now start massaging kale. This good rub down will help to break down the tough cell structure and provide it a softer texture and adds mild flavor. Once charred kale has obtained its desired crispiness, turn off the heat and directly add it with massaged kale. Then mix it together so that the steam from the hot kale transferred to the raw kale and slightly wilt it. This step adds more softer and palatable texture to salad. Then add fresh oranges, baby spinach, cherry tomatoes, black grapes and pumpkin seeds. Give it a gentle mix and let the salad stand for 5 minutes. Now your incredible, nutritious, multi-hued, irresistible salad is ready for plating. Consciously highlight your supporting ingredients to make it more attractive and appetizing. If you have any question, please let me know in comment section. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you soon in next video. Till then, keep learning and help others to learn. Bye bye, take care.